With Bethlehem Fire and some songs, the children of Ivano-Frankivsk welcomed the manuscript. In it, they drew symbols that are universal for all of Ukraine.
Wheat grows here in the west of Ukraine, just like it does in the east. We share the same land and the same skies. That's why they should unite all our regions and the whole of Ukraine, the west and the east.
There are also things that are unique for each region.
We want to depict flowers. Edelweiss symbolizes mountains that we have here. Our majestic mountains are so picturesque.
The project United Ukraine Through Children's Eyes kicked off on December the 1st in a Kiev region town of Fastiv, where the local kids decorated the book's first pages. It was in Fastiv 100 years ago when the West Ukrainian People's Republic and the Ukrainian People's Republic declared their unification into a single Ukrainian state. But it wasn't to be.
The idea of unity remained in the public conscious to be later adopted by new generations who grew up learning about those events.
Ivano-Frankivsk became the 20th town visited by this traveling project. The book already received contributions from children in places like Slavyansk in Donetsk region, Severodonetsk, Luhansk region, Sumy, Poltava, Dnipro, Vinnytsia and Lviv. On January the 22nd, the 100th anniversary of the Declaration of Unity, the book will be put on display at the Sofievsky Square in central Kiev. Reported by Ilarion Ivanenko, UATV.